Hello, welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of the video, which is trying to fix this GE profile range, replacing the broiling filament, the one on top there. It's not working. So first of all, before you do anything, turn off the breaker so that you kill the power to this appliance. And then go to the back and unplug it. So just unplug that, and while you're in here, clean the floor a little bit, with all them debris falling down through the corner and stuff like that. Already done that, unplug it. Now you see all them screws here? This panel had to come off so that you could access the back to replace the filament. I'll show you later. To remove this back panel, you have to remove 4 screws. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one in the bottom, right there. Lift it up, be careful, it's a bit sharp. Now you see all the So this one right here is for the broiling filament. And we need to replace that one. That one there. So might as well unplug this and then go to the front, unscrew all the screws attaching the broiling filament to the top. So all you have to do is see the thing, these two plug it, remove this one, remove this one, and also this little thing here. This one is attached to the top filament too. This one is like a temperature sensor. So you have to unplug it from here. So now it's free to remove from the front after you unscrew all them screws attaching the top filament to the top part of the oven. So this one is inside the oven. It's a bit hard to see, so I'm trying to shine flashlight and show you the screws that need to be removed. So you see this one here, where the laser pointer is. 1, 2. Then the one in the middle is for the temperature sensor, temperature probe they call it. Remove them three screws there. And you have one screw right here for the front part, and same one on the other side right there. There. You could see it. Yep, right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 screws. And then just set. So here is the heating filament, and you could see where it's damaged right there. And again, to clarify, you need to remove the front screw right here, and then the one over here, and the one over here, and the one in the middle where it's attaching the temperature probe to the filament. You don't have to remove it, but then you have to remove it when you want to attach that temperature probe to the new one. So, but to remove it from the oven, you just have to remove 4 screws. Pretty straightforward. So here is the old one. Here's a new one. And like I said, you need to remove this temperature probe. You could reuse it. This one from eBay for $20. Here is the new heating filament with the temperature probe attached. Again, reuse the temperature probe because it's still working. And you want to make sure that this tab pointing up to show that it's a top and bottom. So here's the top part with the tab pointing up. Here's the bottom. So when you attach the probe, make sure you know what the top part is, because I was about to attach it to the bottom. Attach it like this. This is the top part. So now you're ready to install. Just reverse the process and should be good to go. So now I have everything installed. So one screw here attached, one screw here attached, the one here attached, and the one here attached. The thing is, this one right here, it's not lining up properly. So what you see is a little bend at the tab, because I just use this pair plier, bend it so that it meets the hole there. Nothing a pair plier couldn't do. And one thing you've got to be careful is you don't have to super duper tight it, because you're gonna strip it, you know, considering the age of the oven and stuff like that. And also, you see this front door. You could remove the front door, but I didn't want to go through that. It just 4 screws, you know. It's easier to kind of reach in and do that instead of having to remove the door. Another step to the process. So now it's all attached at the front. Have to go back to the back of the oven there, and then attach all just the 3 wires, you know, 1 for the temperature probe and then 2 for the heating filaments. And put the cover back on, should be done. So here's at the back. You attach the red wire to this one right here, and then the blue one to this one right here. Make sure it's snugged, you know, and then the probe, temperature probe right here. Should be good. All done. So the back cover is back on. So basically you have 1 golden screw on top, 1 golden screw in the bottom, and then 2 black screws on the side, 1 here, 1 left, 1 right. Cover's back on. I have to plug it in, push the oven back in, turn on the breaker and see if it works. The moment of truth. The oven is already pushed back into its spot. If it turns on, it works. If it doesn't turn on, try one more time. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Smoking because it's new. So my trusted microwave. Turn it on. The vent, I mean. So it's a new filament, so it smokes a little bit, you know. That should be fine. Turn the vent on, vent it outside. Yeah, it works. So for $20, extend the life of this oven for another 5 years, probably. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.